fix the blender and save the day.
We all worked together.
Well, sounds like you have some really helpful tools, Manny.
I sure do, also. Oh, there's Kelly's store, also. Whirly can drop us off right here.
No, Manny.
Whoa.
What's that, Manny? You want me to drop you off right here? Okay, whatever you say. Happy landings!
Jetpack activated.
Hang on, Manny. This is what the parachute's for. Also,
Molly,
the
the
tools.
tools.
Don't worry, Manny. I got them. Gotcha.
Have I mentioned I don't like flying?
It's okay, Zooli. We're all safe. Thanks to Special Agent Oso.
Phew, see.
Thanks, Oso. Yeah, thanks.
Anytime. It's all part of the plan.
More or less.
Hola, Kelly.
Hola, Manny.